Prime Minister Narendra Modi has described his Austria visit historic and immensely productive, which has added vigor to the two countries' friendship. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has clarified that existing district and referral hospitals which have been converted into medical colleges will continue to receive funding from the central government. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued alerts across several states due to intense rainfall and subsequent flooding in various regions. The Second Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation (BIMSTEC) Foreign Ministers Retreat will begin in New Delhi. In football, England has advanced to the UEFA European Champions 2024 finals after a thrilling 2-1 victory over the Netherlands in the second semi-final in Dortmund this morning.